You won't believe what penguins do when no one's watching. They're actually pretty fascinating creatures, with some really quirky habits. Like, have you ever heard of penguins proposing to each other? It's a real thing. They use special stones to show their love and commitment. They're also super social animals, living in huge colonies, with some species having over 1 million penguins in one place. Can you imagine the noise and chaos? But what's really interesting is how they communicate with each other. They use a variety of calls and sounds to convey different messages, like warning calls to alert others of predators, or contact calls to find their mates and chicks. They also use body language, like preening and stretching, to show affection and relaxation. And get this, they can even recognize each other's unique calls, kind of like how we recognize our friends' voices. Penguins are also incredibly agile and adaptable. They can swim at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and dive to depths of over 1,500 feet. That's like diving down a really, really tall building. They have a special layer of fat called blubber that keeps them warm in freezing cold water, and their wings might look funny, but they're actually really powerful flippers that help them propel through the water. They're also super curious and have been known to explore and play with objects they find, like rocks and icebergs. As we delve deeper into the secret life of penguins, we start to uncover some really surprising behaviors, like their unique mating rituals and their clever ways of finding food. For example, some penguins can drink salt water because they have a special gland above their eyes that filters out the salt. It's like having a built-in water filter. And when it comes to finding food, they have some pretty clever strategies, like working together to herd fish into tight groups, making it easier to catch them. So, let's dive deeper into their hunting techniques. Penguins are incredibly agile swimmers. They can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, which is pretty fast for a bird. They use their wings like flippers to propel themselves through the water, and their webbed feet help them steer and maneuver. It's like they're flying underwater. Some penguins can even dive to depths of over 1,500 feet in search of food. That's deeper than most submarines. But penguins don't just hunt alone. They often work together, using complex communication systems to coordinate their attacks. It's like they have their own language. They use a variety of calls to signal to each other where the food is and how to catch it. It's really impressive. And when they're not hunting, penguins are very social animals. They live in huge colonies, with some species having over 1 million members. It's like a big penguin city. They have a very strict social hierarchy, with dominant birds leading the way, and younger birds learning from them. It's like a big penguin school. And despite their tuxedo-like feathers, penguins are actually very playful. They love to slide on their bellies and toboggan down snowy hills. It's like they're having their own Winter Olympics. But penguins are also very vulnerable to climate change and habitat destruction. Many species are endangered and need our help to survive. So, what can we do to help? Well, that's a great question, and one that we'll be exploring in our next video, where we'll be looking at conservation efforts and ways that you can get involved to help protect these amazing creatures. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the secret life of penguins. It's been an incredible adventure, and I hope you've learned as much as I have. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll be exploring more amazing animal stories.